You can debug LVS errors by probing problem nets and labels using the LVS probing tool. By highlighting nets and devices with the probing tool, you can locate the corresponding problems in a layout window. The probing form option under the Tools dropdown in the LVS Error Browser GUI opens the PVS probing window. The Layout dropdown menu lets you choose either the layout or schematic as the window, which you're going to probe in. However, schematic is not applicable for extraction results probing. The Net dropdown menu lists the probe types. The Add Probe button in Text Type in field lets you specify the object to probe. Click the Colors drop-down menu to choose the highlight color of the object that you are going to probe. The Schematic and Layout fields show the mapping of the selected object names between the schematic and the layout. The layers are listed in the Layers to Probe text area. You can transfer the layers that you want to ignore to the right-hand side. The Clear All button removes the highlight from all highlighted objects in the Layout viewer. How does the probing works? First, make the schematic or layout selection for probing. Then, add probe by specifying a net. Then select the layers to probe as well as ignore. Probing in LVSDE is automatically reset when a new cell name to probe is selected. When you switch between the comparison and extraction tabs, probing is reset even if the cell is unchanged. However, when you switch between comparison tab and shorts, stamping conflicts or files tabs, probing is not reset if the cell is unchanged.